Lipat apartment,
Pahakot, pasakay.
pasakay.
Thank you.
Lipat apartment, pahakot, pasakay.
Yun, thank you, sir.
Lipat apartment, pahakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you, sir.
Lipat apartment, pahakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you.
Pahakot, pasakay.
Yun, thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Salamat.
Lipat apartment, pahakot pasakay.
Yun, yung...
Lipat apartment, pahakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you, pa.
Lipat bahay, pahakot pasakay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Lipat apartment, pahakot, pasakay.
Yun, thank you po, thank you po. Okay, kuya.
Pahakot, pasakay.
Thank
Sa mga lipat bahay, pahakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you.
Sa mga maglilipat, bye. PM nyo lang si Kuya.
Bakot pasakay. Thank you, thank you.
Pahakot pasakay lang po.
Ayun, thank you, sir.
Pahakot pasakay.
Yan.
Digit. Pag gusto nyo magpahakot, message nyo lang sa kuya.
Yun, thank you, ma'am.
Sa mga lipat apartment dyan, pahakot pasakay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Pahakot, pasakay.
Yun, thank you.
Thank you, Master B-Jam. Pahakot pasakay na kayo.
Sa mga gusto magpahakot at pasakay, DM lang kayo sa page nila kuya.
Okay, thank you, ate.
Sabay na po kayo kay sir.
Yeah, thank you. Yan, thank you, sir.